Enjoy maintenance-free living in North Bismarck. This stylish townhome offers over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The main level features 9 ceilings, a spacious and inviting living room, a half bath, and a kitchen that any chef will appreciate. Spend your mornings with coffee on your balcony straight off the dining area. Stainless steel appliances, an apron sink, custom cabinets, quartz countertops, island west/seating complete this accommodating kitchen. The upper level offers 2 guest bedrooms, a guest bathroom, bedroom-level laundry, and an impressive primary bedroom with a soaring ceiling, great natural lighting, a walk-in closet, and bath with dual vanity and seated shower. The lower level features a spacious rec room and under-stair storage. Through the south-facing patio door there is another area for outdoor enjoyment plus an additional storage closet. This lower